What's up, dog? Let's talk about the resonator. I got some problem, right? So, very good guitar, okay? Cheap, okay? Okay, but it's beautiful, okay? It's good enough for me, right? Bought this one about a year. I don't play it too often, okay? But recently I just pick it. I try to play some slide, okay, and some blues, okay, style. Pretty good, okay. The action is a little bit high, but it's okay for me. I've been playing acoustic, okay. I mainly use this guitar to play slide, so it does not really affect me too much, right? But okay, because I played a lot recently, okay, and it's summertime, okay. I found out yesterday something happened. You see this shiny, the thing here, the plate. Okay, I think it's a chrome plated. Okay, it's I found out there's lots of stains on there. It's not really rust. Okay, it's not really a rust. Okay, kind of like I got sweat. Okay, my arm put here. Okay, I got some sweat here. Okay, and then I don't really clean it after I play. Okay, but I learned my lesson. Okay, so if I play after I play, I need to really wipe it thoroughly. Okay, to prevent this happen again. All right, there's some stains. Okay, like I said, it's not really rust. Okay, some stains. Okay, especially on this part here. Okay, here this part, but right now I already get rid of it. Okay, I tried different method. Okay, the first I just try to use a towel to wipe it. Okay, and dampen a little bit and wipe it. It does not work. All right, and then I thought I can use some wool. Okay, do I still have some? The really the wool, the thing, like this, like this. Where's my camera? Like this. Okay, really fine. Okay, thing. Okay, try to rub it off. It does not work either. All right, and I tried, and then I tried those steel ball. Okay, you use to clean your kitchen, stuff. Okay, that one does not work either. And then I had some like chemicals. Then I thought, okay, I have to use some chemicals. Okay, I tried my saliva. It does not work. All right, and then I tried what's called stainless steel. Okay, cleaner and conditioner. Okay, I put on there. It does not work either. All right, and then I checked YouTube. I saw some videos that use WD-40, okay, to clear the rust or something. Okay, I tried WD-40. I put a little bit, okay, and then I left for a while. I thought maybe it can get soaked, can wipe off, but after for a while, okay, I cleaned it. Okay, it does not work either. All right, so okay, from the YouTube, okay, you can see lots of people they clean the rust. Okay, they use like aluminum foil. I know the aluminum foil most likely will not work either. Okay, because I tried the wool thing and the steel ball, right? So I didn't try that one. Okay, and most of the video is about how to get rid of the rust. They have really rusty surface, but mine does not have really rust. Okay, just discolor. Okay, some that's from my sweat, and I think some other things from my saxophone. I play saxophone. After I play it, I shake it. Okay, the guitar is right here. Sometimes I think I shake some salivas on there. I become residue. Okay, I think the chrome plate become oxidated. Okay, or some acidified, whatever. Okay, and this part, okay, like I said, my arm here. Okay, I think this sweat, maybe sweat is kind of like acid, right? Make oxidation or acidified, whatever it's called. All right. So finally, okay, I decided to try to look from Amazon. I search like chrome restoration. Okay. Oh, there's another product people use called bartender keeper or something. Okay. I don't want to buy additional product. Okay. I checked from Amazon. Okay, like chrome restoration or something. All right, and then we come up with this one. All right, this thing. All right, I bought this one a long time ago. Okay, because Amazon has my purchase record, right? I looked at this one. I use this one because I have a Japanese sword, okay, katana. Okay, I use this one to polish my sword, okay, in the old days, right? And this one has been left there for a long time. You can see the inside, okay, the color on the surface is discolored already, but still, okay, inside, if you break the surface, inside it still works, okay, you can still get something out. Okay, I say, okay, give this one a try, okay, because I see the reviews, a lot of people use this one for different purpose, okay, also they can use this one for polish highlight, car highlight, okay, but I think, okay, it says polish for all metals, you see, for not all, only aluminum, okay, all metals. I say, okay, just give it a try, okay. They say they use like a towel or something, okay. I just use the normal paper towel, okay. I use the paper towel, okay. Because I don't know how this one works. I don't want to, okay, damage my cheap, beautiful guitar, okay. It's cheap but beautiful, all right. And then I just dip a little bit, okay, on the little spot somewhere. I see some like stains on there. I rub on there, okay, for the direction. You said when you see the black thing on there, okay, you put this one and then rub in there. You see something black on there, and then just polish it. Okay, I just use my paper towel. I can put a little bit on there. Okay, when I see the black thing on there, the color become black, I just polish it. Oh, you know what? It really worked. It really worked. All right, it really worked. Okay, I got all over the place usually. Okay, but right now you cannot see anything of it. Okay, all the place. Okay, especially here and a little bit here, and especially on here. Okay, and then I applied on this spot and polish it. Okay, take you only a few minutes. Okay, and polish it. It really worked. Okay, it become like really shiny like before. Okay, really like shiny before. All right, so if you have like the resonant guitar, okay, like this, all right, you play and then this thing become like the stain on there. Okay, it's oxidated or acidified by some sweat or something. Okay, you cannot really rub it off. You cannot really wipe off by your towel or other sort of type of chemicals. Okay, you can try this one. Okay, I look, this one is really cheap also. Okay, other products, okay, they are quite of pricey. Okay, this one is not that pricey. Okay, it's really good. Okay, and also this one is not. Look, it says use for all metals. Okay, you can use for all different other surface. Okay, not only for the guitar. Right. So, right. Hope this one will help. Okay, so if you have a problem like me, all right, just you can use this one to get your beautiful guitar. Okay, restored. Okay, but the lesson I learned is like I don't want to keep using this product. Okay, I don't think, okay, every time you use polish it, okay, it's good for your metal, for your chrome. Okay, but the things like, okay, this one just for extreme case. Okay, I cannot really wipe it off. But the lesson I learned is like every time I play, I really need to clean the guitar thoroughly.